Hey everyone, M1 Shadow here. Today I've got a pulled ribeye steak sandwich for you. This is very easy to do and I think you're all going to like it. So let's get started. So here we have a couple of ribeye steaks. Let's go ahead and hit it with some black pepper, a little bit of salt, and I've got this seasoning, Kingsford Original All-Purpose Seasoning. It's got a smoky flavor. Let's go ahead and put some of that on there. Press it in, and then we're going to flip it over and we're going to repeat on the other side. Then we're going to go ahead and put these in a Ziploc baggie and let them marinate overnight. So here we are the next morning. We have a slow cooker over here with some water in it. Let's go ahead and get some Worcestershire sauce in there. And I'm not measuring, I'm just kind of eyeballing it. And I just want to go in there and stir it a little bit. Probably don't even need to do this, but I like to. What I have here is a small yellow onion that I cut up. We're going to throw that in there. I'm going to throw our steak in there. And I also got a small can of mushrooms. You could use fresh mushrooms if you want, but this is the only one I have for now. And at this point, what we're just going to do is go ahead and cover it, set it on low, and we're going to let this go probably about a good 8 or 9 hours. So here we are about 8 hours later. I ran this through a strainer and then I put it back into the crock pot. And I have this very simple sauce. All it is just mayonnaise and honey mustard mixed together. Let's go ahead and put that in there. And we're going to go in there and mix it up. And you're going to see this is just going to break apart. So here we have a couple sub rolls, and let's go ahead and start loading up these sub rolls with it. So that turned out to be just about the right amount for 2 large sandwiches. We've got some Gouda cheese and we're going to go ahead and put that on there. Now we're going to go ahead and put this in the oven. It's preheated at 350 degrees and it should only take a few minutes for the cheese to melt. And there you have it. Our pulled ribeye steak sandwich is done. Let's give it a taste test. Wow, very good. The consistency is like pulled pork, except it's pulled ribeye. Give this one a try. I do not think you'll be disappointed. As always, I do want to thank you all for watching and have a good one.